Hello, welcome back to Daniel's DIY channel. Today we're making some slime here. We're going to start out with 3 ounces of Elmer's glue. Get all that in there.
Tornado.
Here you go, Paul.
Pour that in.
Alright, so we need an 1/8 cup of water.
Just pour that in, right?
And we'll mix all that together.
Alright. So, do I mix it now? Right.
I'll get off the table. Get up on our tables.
It's not that hard. I bet Paul could do this. Alright, so what's next?
Now that we have all that mixed up, we're going to add in some baking soda. Maybe a quarter teaspoon. We'll mix that up.
Okay. Wait.
It's like, you know what? It's okay. He really wanted the tie. You can't fight it.
Okay, so now we have that mixed up. We're going to do 3/4 of a tablespoon of contact solution.
Okay, can I put it in?
No, I'll do this one.
Wait. I'm gonna mix that.
Don't mix it yet. And we're gonna add a little bit of acrylic paint. You can do whatever color you'd like.
I want green.
Don't want to do more than a quarter teaspoon.
Now I'm gonna mix it.
Now I'll mix all that together.
Alright, I'll start it, okay?
And then for like,
Yeah. So what should this
This
make?
is the final product, so keep mixing until it turns into slime.
I make green. Okay. Paul's trying to mix it.
the swimsuit I got. I love it, but it is just a little
I think it's about done here. I'll finish it up here.
Not enough.
My cheeks don't have
That's not enough for what?
face. I'm like looking for like a little class here that I have.
Now I got a ball of slime. You want to mix it with your hands for a little bit.
One bathing suit I wore, I really liked.
It'll be pretty sticky at first, but once you play with it a minute here, it'll get not as sticky.
Can I see it? Whoa!
It has like three little like straps across it. And it does, like,
That looks
a
greenish.
But
So what color did it make?
It's kind of a tan color with the green with the pink glue. But there's green glitter in this glue.
Okay, so it just go in the dark?
Yeah, it'll be glow in the dark.
Yes.
Oh, it makes like a gold color. Oh, it's not terrible. Better than I thought. Yeah, it did.
Alright, so grab your cups now.
Okay.
We like to just put it in these little cups with lids.
Alright, we gotta do it.
Or you can store it in there.
Yeah. Can I put it in my
So
cup?
let's separate it here into 2 big blobs. You each have some.
No. Oh,
Here you go, Paul. Here's your slime.
well, you think Paul might have gone a little more than
That was it. You guys have fun?
Yeah.
There you have it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Madison wants to say hi. And we'll see you next time. Keep on doing it yourself.
We used a lot more space than her.
Look, it's Spider-Man.
Nice. You got a web. Paul, what'd you make?
Okay, it's not that big, but it feels like it. She's not gonna sleep in packages.
And when these things go in the dark, they're green.
Yeah, we got glow in the dark paint.
No, I thought
Makes it turn green when you put it in the dark.
One of those things like for cold.
Mm.
Oh, yeah. Sunshade over it, so when we go to the lake and stuff. Those little
Then
portable
fold it over.
portable
Then
little sleepers. zip up to the sides and then like
That one didn't work. Ah,
Oh, I heard a pop. There you go.
ah, there it goes.